Good evening, friend. Today I'll be showing you how to do Excel in MS Office. You know, Excel is a very important thing. Already I have explained this. We'll be starting from the scratch. First, I'll be showing you how to open an Excel file. Let's start. Here, say I want to open an Excel book. I can do the right click here, new, then this Excel. Here I am renaming this thing like Learn Excel. This is how I have created the book Excel file. Then double click on this. So I am opening this thing. So there are by default there are 3 pages are available in the Excel. I can rename the page. Sheet 1 I can write it C, this one B, and this one A. How I am doing this thing? I am just double clicking on the page and writing and overriding the name I want to write here. Then this file is okay. This file is opened. Then I can write anything. Today is very cold. This statement I am writing here. I can write any data. Then I can save this thing by pressing Ctrl S, or I can save it from here. Right? If I want to save, if I want to rename the file, then I click here, then save as, click it here, then write whatever name I want to give. I can also change the location of the file by going here. I can change any location of the file. Next portion, I think you have learned it. I think you have learned how to open the Excel. Then if I want to close this thing, I just closing this file. It is closed. Learn Excel. Thank you.